In this guide, we'll explore 5 of the best online converters to convert HEIC to JPG. Free online, each with its own unique set of features and capabilities. Whether you're a novice or an experienced user, you're sure to find the perfect tool for converting your HEIC files to JPG. Part 1. Top 5 HEIC to JPG Converter Online. 1. Free Convert HEIC to JPG. Free Convert HEIC to JPG, the hassle-free online converter solution for transforming HEIC files into high-quality JPEG images. With just a simple drag and drop, you can effortlessly convert your HEIC files to JPG format. 2. Convertio. Ranking second on the list is Convertio, an online HEIC to JPG converter. This tool allows you to convert HEIC images to JPG or other image formats online. Convertio is free to use, but there is a limit on the number of conversions, and a paid version with unlimited conversions. 3. Cloud Converter. Cloud Convert is a versatile application for file conversions. It supports a wide range of formats, including audio, video, document, ebook, archive, image, spreadsheet, and presentation formats. You can use the online tool without downloading any software, making it convenient. 4. HEIC Online. HEIC Online is a convenient and user-friendly HEIC to JPG converter. True to its name, HEIC Online enables you to convert HEIC images to JPG format without the need for payment or sign up. Additionally, there is no watermark added to your photos. 5. HEIC to JPEG Converter. AConvert Image Converter is an online tool that allows you to convert HEIC images to various formats such as BMC, GIF, JPEG, N, TIFF, N, BMP, and ICO. Although it is free to use, the interface is ad-based, and users must convert files one by one. Part 2. How to convert HEIC to JPG offline. Many individuals are hesitant to convert HEIC to JPG online due to privacy concerns and limited functionality. Mobikin HEIC to JPG Converter offers a reliable alternative, providing comprehensive features for HEIC conversion. How to convert HEIC to JPG offline via Mobikin HEIC to JPG Converter. Install the top free HEIC to JPG Converter offline for Windows and Mac. Once installed, open the program, add HEIC images by clicking Add HEIC or dragging and dropping files onto the interface. Next, adjust the output settings as desired, including the file format JPG, JPEG, quality, and whether to keep EXIF data. You can also choose the folder in which to save the converted images by clicking the 3-dot icon. Click on the Convert button to start the conversion process. Based on our research, this converter can process dozens of HEIC images in just a few seconds.